Hello everyone, this is your financial flosser and I am here to give you a tip how to spend $10 or less in the dollar store, in the Dollar Tree, and get some personal products for your young ladies. I started this practice when my daughters were very young, when they first got their menstrual cycle, actually even before then, to prepare them when they got their cycle so that they will have that emergency kit just in case. So while these aren't necessarily the products that I use personally for my young ladies, I wanted to give you another option, so you don't always have to buy the brand name option, but I just wanted to make sure that you were aware. So as you can see, I have everything in these nice little packages. So what you would need, ultra thin pads, a pack of the maxi pads for the thicker overnight wear, feminine wipes. You can use either kind. I have two different kinds, but they're disposable. They are not flushable, but they are disposable. And this is a nice way for your young lady to always feel nice and clean and fresh, because we know that with warm climate weathers and just with perspiration, that can change our pH level and also maybe not make us feel or smell as fresh as we would like. You also need some sandwich bags. Again, these are all items from the Dollar Tree. I even picked up some stinky bowel spray. This is not, well, very similar to Poop Be Gone, but this is $1.25, okay? I also get a bar of soap. This is Dove, but you can use any kind, and a white washcloth. Okay, and then the last two things that I purchased was just a little bag, a little cosmetic or duffel bag. I think it's just called a belt bag, and then a just for her case. Okay, so this is the way I normally do it. I will place inside of a Ziploc bag a sanitary napkin or tampon and or both, as well as 2 wipes so that they can freshen up, and a paper towel. And I'll tell you why. Because some young ladies go into the restroom and they open up their sanitary product, and when they do, I didn't use this one before. When they do, they just leave everything, the wrapper, they just throw it and leave the wrapper there. And no one should know that your young lady is having their menstrual cycle, okay? And so what I advise individuals to do, that once they take it out the package, to discard the old one, you're simply going to just roll until it's over. You can then place it back in the packaging that it came inside of. Sometimes it'll be tape, adhesive tape, and then place a napkin. And you're just going to fold it like so, no special rhyme or reason, but just so that no one sees it. Place it in the Ziploc bag, closing out the air. After you wipe yourself, you place the wipes in here, because again, they're not flushable. So you want to put that all inside this bag, covered of course, because the wipes will be soiled. And then you can discard it. And that way, if you're perspiring, no one will smell it. Everything will be sealed in the bag. You may have to do that at a friend's house. You may have to do that on a trip away with your family and friends. You may even have to do it in college. So I just want to make sure that my young ladies are protected. They are doing the right thing. They are exhibiting proper hygiene. And again, these items, I got 10 items, $1.25 each. You do the math, under $15. You can have a kit for your young lady, and all she has to do is place this in a bag like so, with her soap and her spray. This could be placed in her locker. It can go inside her sports bag if she's doing sports activities. And again, no one knows what's inside this bag. I also recommend that your young lady have an extra pair of panties. And that's just to make sure that if she does have an accident, she has something else to change into. Again, all these items are from the Dollar Tree. I thank you for watching. Have a great day on purpose. Bye-bye.